Cyclical Old Sol. We all know about our sun's 11-year cycle of spottiness, how it gets spottier and less spotty over an 11-year period. Well, not really an 11-year cycle. The cycle ranges between 9 and 12 years, 11 being the average of 9 and 12 approximately. The actual average is 10 and a half, so you could round it up to 11 or down to 10. I haven't a clue why 11 is official. The sunspot cycle was discovered in 1843 by Samuel Heinrich Schwabe. Its official name is therefore the Schwabe cycle. I can't figure out why no one talks about the sun's other cycles. There's at least 4 more. There's the Wolf-Gleissberg cycle of about 80 years. The number of sunspots in each 11-year cycle goes up and down in an 80-year cycle. Then there's the deVries-Suess cycle of about 200 years. It is based on increasing and decreasing concentrations of carbon-14 in ice core and tree rings. Carbon-14 is created from regular old carbon-10 when an atom of carbon-10 gets whacked by a cosmic ray. When the sunspot cycle cycles down really low, and there are very few sunspots, the sun's magnetic field gets weaker and starts letting more cosmic rays hit the Earth. Cosmic rays, by definition, come from the cosmos. You know, way out there somewhere. The Bray-Hallstatt cycle is about 2,300 years long. Its existence is inferred not only by carbon-14 measurements, but also by beryllium-10 measurements. There's a proposed solar cycle that hasn't been named yet. It's around 6,000 years long. So what's it all mean, you may well ask? Well, when you take all these sunspot cycles and the implied variations in the sun's energy output, you get things like the Maunder minimum. What's the Maunder minimum, you may well ask? It was the last time the cycles ganged up and sunspot activity nearly vanished for 70 years, from 1645 to 1750, about the coldest period in the Little Ice Age. What's the Little Ice Age, you might well ask? That's for me to know and you to find out about next week. You may read the text of this on my blog at bhaidin.com. That's BHAIDIN.com.